here's how my day has gone so far. Got the turbo mounting studs off this old Mack manifold. And let's see, let me turn the light on here. I got that one out, drilled it out and tapped it. That one I had to drill out and tap it. That one I actually got out, but you can see somebody has been in there before and went a little sideways, so I don't know. That one's just going to get a new stud put in there, heated with a torch and bent, I guess. And this is where the real fun starts. Let's see if I can get this down in there. Don't know if you can really see it, but there's the end of a USA made Mayhew extractor. Of course, you can't really drill that out. This here is actually part of that bit there. It's called a rescue bit, and they're excellent bits, but they're very expensive. They're about 70 bucks, I believe. And I've used this one on the front timing cover of, I believe, the same Mack actually. The bolts for the front motor mount run all the way through the timing cover, and they had snapped, and it was a huge nightmare. But yeah, this did its job, but unfortunately this is the cutting end, and one of the flutes is broke on it, and it's snapped in half there, and this is the reaming end, and it's not really designed to drill anything out. So for my last ditch effort here, we've got just a little cheap Amazon die grinder bit in there, and we're just going to very slowly and surely try to eat away through the extractor, and then either keep eating all the way through the bolt, or what I'll probably do is put a drill in there so I don't hit the threads, hopefully, and we'll see what happens. Got it a little off center because it's leaning over to the side when I put pressure on it. But we are making some very slight forward progress. You can see it's cutting. Actually, I might be through the, nope, still got some more to go, but wish it would focus, but I can't focus there. You can kind of see it at the very bottom there, but it's coming out. I don't know how well you can see it, but there's actually the end of the old stud hanging on to there's what's left of it after running this through the center of it. Our bit's not looking too hot, but it was a cheap Amazon bit, so I don't really care. And looks like there's still a little bit down there, so I'm going to go ahead and run a drill bit through there, and then we'll tap it, and hopefully it'll hold. Alright, there it is. Let me try tapping it, we'll see how it comes out. Alright, so that one's going in good. And obviously these aren't the studs that are going to be used, but they're the same thread size. That one, for whatever reason, goes deeper, but shouldn't matter. That one goes in about the same as the one in the back. Now this is the one that somebody screwed with before. I did run a tap down it, but look at how sideways it goes in there. So, I don't know, I guess that'll be put the stud in and then heat it with a torch and bend it straight. It's probably the reason that the manifold was starting to leak right here, because this isn't really holding it like it should, and the manifold also leaks on one of the ends, and I think number 2. So it's got to go to the machine shop and planed out so everything's nice and even. But at least the studs are out now, so they can't charge us for that.